Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be building a birdhouse. Got some wood, another wood, another wood, another wood, another wood, some plastic window, some roof, and that's about it. You need some screws and hammers and stuff like that, but that's it. So the first thing we got to do with this project is distinguish what type of birds want to live in our treehouse. You know, so we're gonna make a treehouse about yay big, and I think it'll attract yay big sized birds and be like all safe in there, and no rain will get to them because it'll be waterproof. So yeah, I got all my tools over here, all my tools on the wall. I just put some Christmas lights up. It's not the season yet, but looks pretty good. Before we get started, I'm gonna spray some of this oust. Makes the air sanitized. Don't breathe in, oust. Okay, let's get started, guys. So right here is where we're going to draw out the template for our birdhouse. Birds will be able to fly in. Let me draw a bird. They'll be able to fly in through here and go in the hole, make the little nest in there, and then be able to come out. We're also going to do some, let's do one window. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's get this piece of wood up here. It's probably pretty good base. We're going to need to cut this down a little bit. I think we're going to cut it like a this. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then probably like that. So yeah, let's cut that out. I'll get my saw real quick. Okay, so priority one before cutting anything is safety. You want to have some nice goggles and headphones so you don't die. Got him. Look at that. That's our base for the birdhouse. Okay, so we got our base. Now we need to make some walls. Yeah, I'm gonna use this piece of wood right here to be our front wall, and it's not gonna be that high, I don't think. So we're gonna have. I like to measurements for sissies. So yeah, that'll be good right there. Actually, we do need to measure for the other wall. Let's see how long this is. So this is the siding of the house. We need it to be 6 inches tall for it to match up with the roof. I'll not mark that one. This one off too? Yeah, it was. Shoot. Ooh. Okay. So now we gotta connect the dots, connect the lines. A nice little boom. So we're gonna make 2 of these and 2 of these. And this will be the hole for the bird. Up here will be the little node hanging off the end. Booyah, look at that. Okay, so I don't know how, but I just lost my goggles. Wait. Oh. They're right here. Ho ho ho. Okay, so I found my drill. Now we're gonna get our hole drilled out. Then screw this back on. Look at that. Okay, line ourselves up right there. And should I make this a little lower? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make it a little lower. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what the problem is. You gotta turn the power to all the way to. That's loud. Hey, we got it. Nice. We only need about one hole. So we got our hole drilled out. Now we need to do a little perch. And this is gonna be, I'm gonna have it this way so you can't see all of our mistakes and crap. Let's make our perch. For the perch, I'm gonna use this big old stick of bamboo. I'm gonna use a handsaw for this because it's a little overkill to use a freaking like table saw. So yeah, I'll just start with grinding away with this little thing. Oh, that was easy. Yeah. Look at that. So for this to fit inside of the birdhouse, we're gonna need to drill another hole. Another hole so we can just stick the little node out, and it'll be good. So let's go about right. Whoa! 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 Oh! Okay. Let's see if our node fits. Yeah, look at that. So we're just gonna nail it straight onto our base and hope that none of the wood splinters. Okay, so off camera, found this little piece of wood. I'm not going to tell you where I got it, but we are going to measure from here. Yeah, it's about right in here. That's good. And we're going to repeat that for the other side. So let's go cut these pieces. Okay, we're just going to do a little 1-2 on this bad boy. So we got our roof. Let's put it on. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, let's see what that looks like. That's good. It's a good little tree. Look at a little birdhouse. So yeah, there's a split right here, which needs to be covered with something. So we're gonna we'll just use plastic for that. But we need to attach this somehow. The easiest way I can think of is to just nail it in. I'm just going to cut one of these corrugation things, one of these, like that. Well, that cuts pretty easy. There we go. That's good. Oh, sorry, I was kind of shaking the camera a little bit. Okay. That'll just slide onto there. Like that. That's better. Better fit. These nails. Yeah, we need these nails. There we go. And before we know it, guys, we have a fully functioning birdhouse that is waterproof. So, without further ado, let's go put some birdseed in it and then hang it in a tree. I'm going to drill on this little baby onto the top somewhere. We can just hang it from that.
See if the screws in here. Oh yeah, perfect.
Okay, so we got our birdhouse. Now we're going to put some assorted nuts in here and hope that squirrels don't get to it. So yeah. Look at all those. I hope that birds don't mind that it's expired in 2014, but yeah, it'll be fine. I found a nice little perch, so I think I'm going to use that. We'll just hang this up here, like so. Stick out of the way. Oh yeah, perfect. How's that baby look? You think a bird's gonna like that little tree house? I keep saying tree house. I mean birdhouse. You think a bird's gonna like that birdhouse? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This has been how to make a birdhouse from just scraps, wood, and like scrap wood, yeah. But yeah. This is in honor of Papal Frankie. Guys, let me know down in the comments if I should make more birdhouses. Please like and subscribe. Well, let's go check out the old garage. Let's see if our mousetrap caught anything. Oh man. Mousetrap 1, Mickey Mouse 0.